how to add PDF to your Wix website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can add a PDF file to your Wix website. It is very easy and simple to do. All you have to do is, as always, follow the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. Now we are on the Wix website. Here we have the sites that we have created. I am going to select a website that I have. Here, for example, this one, I'm going to wait for the Wix website editor. Then see here, before the Wix website editor, we have here the dashboard of the website or the account. I'm going to click on edit site right here. It is very easy and simple. I will wait a little moment till the website load up. As you can see right now, we have the website or our website ready. The thing that you are going to do is you click on add elements right here, and here we have the embed. I'm going to put on the embed. Here under these customs, I'm going to here Velo Dev mode. Right here we have the PDF viewer. I'm going to add to the site the PDF viewer. I'm going to permit the access, and it will be adding the widget of the PDF. Here in few moments we have here the PDF viewer. You can go ahead and see here that we can already go and click on upload PDF. Here it is opening a document or a standard document from the developers. I'm not going to wait for it, but I'm going to click on upload PDF, and here it will be showing up the uploader or the add files section. Click on add file. Here you can go ahead and click on upload media from computer, or you can go ahead and upload it from where you want. Now for example, the PDF, I have a PDF file on my computer. I'm going to click on this. It is uploading right now, and here we have it. We have the PDF uploaded, and as you can see, it will be right here. I'm going to click simply add to page, and here it will be showing up the PDF file that we have. Here we have the scroller, the zoom, and everything. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.